How to detect keystrokes by keyboard sound. It's no secret that hackers can find out which keys a user presses. This requires installing keylogger software on the victim's computer. However, it is already possible to find out what a person is typing just by the sound from the microphone. How does it work? Each key on the keyboard has a unique sound. The distance between the keys and the microphone, and the rate at which they are pressed, is different for each character. Spectrogram analysis is able to distinguish the keys from each other and determine which character a particular sound corresponds to. Let us know your thought on this in the comment box.
For daily video updates, subscribe to Only Facts.